Hello everybody. Now we are going to perform an experiment on shearing bridge trainer. Okay. First let me give supply voltage to this bridge. So you join these two terminals. Again you join these two terminals. Okay. Here we have three cases. These three are unknown capacitances. First let me find CX4. In order to find CX4, let me join these two terminals. Now this is connected in this bridge. Okay. Now you connect null detector to this circuit, to this bridge. So you join these two terminals and you join these two terminals. Okay. Anyhow, you keep this amplitude control in maximum position. Okay. Now you switch on the supply. Okay. Now you vary this R3 until it shows 0 or minimum value. So let me vary this knob. Okay, it is showing 0 value. Means the bridge is said to be balanced. Now the bridge is balanced. Okay. You know the formula, CX4 is equal to R4 into C3 by R3. Under balance conditions, you can get that formula. When the bridge is balanced, CX4 is equal to R4 into C3 by R3. Okay. Now you have to measure this R3. Okay. In order to measure this R3, you switch off the supply and remove all connections. Remove all connections and you measure the resistance between these two terminals using multimeter. Okay. So let me measure the resistance between these two terminals using multimeter. The value of this resistance is 2.25 kilo ohms. Okay. Now R3 is 2.25 kilo ohms, C3 is given, C4 is given, R4 is also given. Okay. So all are known values now. Okay. So you can apply that formula, CX4 is equal to R4 into C3 by R3. Here R3 is measured by using multimeter. Okay. Similarly, you can also find CX4. Okay, in order to find CX5, here connecting CX5. Okay, let me give supply to this bridge. Now the supply voltage is given to this bridge. Let me connect null detector circuit. So now null detector is connected to this circuit. Okay. Now you switch on the supply. It is showing some value. This display is showing some value. Okay. So you vary this knob until this shows 0 value, 0 or minimum value. Okay, now it is showing 0 value, means the bridge is said to be balanced. Okay, now you can apply the formula, CX5 is equal to R4 into C3 by R3. Okay, so you have to measure this R3 using multimeter. Anyhow, this value is known value, C3 is known value, and R4 is also known value, C4 is also known value. Okay, in order to find CX5, you have to measure this resistance. In order to measure this, in order to know this resistance or measure this resistance, let me switch off the supply and remove all connections. Okay. Now you measure the resistance between these two terminals using multimeter. It is showing some 1.1 kilo ohms. Okay. By using that formula, CX5 is equal to R4 into C3 by R3, you can find unknown capacitance. So this bridge is used for the measurement of unknown capacitance. Okay. Similarly, you can also find CX6. Okay. So in order to find CX6, you join these two terminals. You join these two terminals and give supply to this bridge by joining these two terminals as well as these two terminals, and connect this null detector circuit by joining these two terminals as well as these two terminals. You follow the same procedure which is followed to find CX5. Okay, thank you.